My name is Roz, and I'm a carpentry student at Edison Job Corps. When I was a teen, I struggled with some things a lot, and I actually never thought I would make it this far. You know, there would be a lot of people in my ear and tell me a lot of things that I couldn't do, and I believed them at first. Like I said, once I got to Job Corps, I kind of paved my own way and built that confidence, especially being around the right people. It motivates you to be better. I'm just excited to have another skill that could help me build houses for not only my family, but thousands and millions of other families as well. GAF Roofing Academy course means to me is just another tier in my life to be a better person, also pass the skills on to other people who might want to join my team as well. What I hope to get out of this is just to be able to help people. You know, I have a really big heart, and I hope I could go a long way and bring some people with me.